mode 21 and mode 26 circuit using 4026. First I will make mode 21 circuit, then on that circuit I will make mode 26 circuit. So let's get started. For this circuit we need CD4026, 4011, common cathode, 7 segment display, a push button switch, 10 kilo ohms resistor, 220 ohms resistor and 0.1 microfarad capacitor. One request, please consider to subscribe my channel. This will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you. We are going to design a counter which counts from 00 to 20. So we have to make mode 21 counter. So we need two 7 segments display. This is unit digit and it is 10th digit. To get reset at 21, we need not A and G. Not A from unit digit and G from 10th digit. Now this output from AND gate will be connected to the reset pin of 4026, that is pin number 15. So this circuit will reset at 21. Here we need AND gate and NOT gate. So we can use NAND gate IC 4011. This IC has 4 NAND gate. So we can make this circuit using NAND gate. Now see this NOT gate. First we'll make this NOT gate using NAND gate. This will work as a NOT gate. Here we'll get A from unit digit and in this point we'll get not A. G from 10th digit. Then we'll connect to a NAND gate and again we'll make it NOT. So ultimately we are getting an AND gate. This will work as a NOT gate and it is AND gate. So this is the basic concept. Now we will make this circuit. I already explained about this IC 4011 and also I have explained 4026. In this video I will show only the circuit diagram. As we are going to design our counter using 4026, so definitely we need IC 4026 and also 7 segment display. 4026 IC can drive only common cathode display. So these both are common cathode 7 segment display. Connect this common pin to ground, both of them. Then pin 3, 4 and 16 should be connected to the plus 5 volt for both of them, and pin number 2 and 8 should be connected to the ground. Now we have to connect the display to the IC. Pin 10 should be connected to pin A of 7 segment display through 220 ohms resistor. This connection will be same. 12 to B, 13 to C, 9 to D, 11 to E, 6 to F and 7 to G. These are all 220 ohms resistor. Now to provide clock pulse, we are using a switch, push button switch. One side of the switch should be connected to the positive rail and other side of the switch should be connected to pin number 1. Pin number 1 is clock input. As this IC is digital IC, so we have to connect a pull down resistor. I already explained why should we connect this resistor. Link is given in the description below. The value is 10 kilo ohms. And for debouncing the switch, I have connected a 0.1 microfarad capacitor. To see whether it is getting clock pulse or not, we are going to use an LED. The positive pin of the LED should be connected to pin number 1 and with the negative pin I have connected a 220 ohms resistor and then it is connected to the ground. Now to run both of these IC, we have to cascade this both. So pin number 1 is clock input and pin number 5 is clock output, and 5 will be connected to pin number 1 of next IC. Pin number 15 is reset pin Now I am using 4011, the NAND gate IC. Pin number 14 should be connected to plus 5 volt and 7 should be connected to the ground. Pin number 3, 5 and 6 should be connected together. Also pin number 10 and 2 and 8 and 9. From unit digit we are getting A from this IC, and from 10th digit we are getting G. It is connected to pin 1 and it is to 8 and 9. And pin number 4 will be final output and it is connected to the reset pin of IC. So this is our circuit. Now we will make this circuit on the breadboard. Unit digit, 10th digit. Common pin of both the display is connected to the ground. Putting the 220 ohms resistor for the display. Connecting the resistor to the display. Now I am putting the IC 4026. Pin number 3, 4 and 16 are connected to the positive rail, and pin number 2 and 8 are connected to the negative rail. Connecting the IC to the resistor. Connecting the switch. One pin of the switch is connected to the positive rail. With the other pin we have to connect a pull down resistor. The value is 10 kilo ohms. Then it is connected to pin number 1. For debouncing the switch, I am connecting the capacitor. And here is the LED. The positive pin is connected to the pin number 1, and with the negative pin I am connecting 220 ohms resistor. This is the basic design. Now we are going to design mode 21. So for that we need NAND gate IC 4011. Pin 14 is connected to the positive rail. Pin 7 is connected to the ground. Pin number 3, 5, 6 are connected. Connecting 10 and 2. Connecting 8 and 9. And this is connected to A from unit digit. And pin number 1 is connected to G from 10th digit. Pin number 7 is G, so I have connected here. Now we have to cascade both the 4026. So its pin number 5 should be connected to pin number 1 of second IC. It is cascaded. Now we have to connect both the reset pin number 15 to 15. And this 15 is connected to the output of NAND gate IC, that is the final output pin number 4, as you have seen it. In this point, this is pin number 4. So our circuit is ready. Now let's check it. Here it is negative and positive. This resistor should be connected to negative rail. Okay, now it is okay. Here it is positive and negative. Now it is 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. This is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and it will be reset. Turning off my light so that you can see it better. Okay, now it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. See, at 21 it is resetting. So this is your mode 21 circuit, means it counts from 00 to 20. Now see, here itself we will make mode 26, that is from 00 to 25. Remove. The basic connection will be the same. For mode 26, from unit digit we need EFG, and from 10th digit we need only G. So from here we will get one input, that is G, and from here we need EFG, that is 3 input. So total we need 4 input AND gate, and 4 input AND gate is 4082. I already explained about that IC. Link is given in the description below. Here it is 4082. I'll directly connect this IC. The pin diagram is explained on that video. If you want to know about its pin diagram and its working input and output, then please follow that video. Pin number 14 is connected, positive rail, and 7 is connected to the ground. This IC has two 4 input AND gate. I'll use first gate. The output of first gate is pin number 1 and the inputs are 2, 3, 4, 5. Here with pin number 2 we will connect its G, and with 3, 4, 5 I will connect EFG. Okay. Its G means pin number 7, and I am connecting it with pin number 2. G is connected. E means pin number 11. It is pin number 11. E is connected, and FG, pin number 6 and 7. Here it is F and G. Inputs of AND gate is connected, and the output should be connected to the pin number 15 to reset the IC. Output is pin number 1 and it should be connected to pin number 15. Connect both the pin 15. Cascade the IC. Its pin number 5 should be connected to pin number 1 of second IC. It counts from 00 to 25. Now I am connecting the power supply. Here it is negative and the positive. Turning off my lights. Okay, now see this. It is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and see. It resets at 26. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 00. So this is our mode 26 circuit. So this is how we can design mode 21 and mode 26 circuit with 4026. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt on this, then please let me know in the comment section. In the next video, I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.